Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix gcash developer option problem. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and open gcash app, and here you can see an issue. So how you can fix that? So you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone, and in search settings you need to search for the developer option. Click on that, and here you can see on the top developer option. Now it is on. You simply need to click here and turn off, and after that you need to go back to the gcash app and your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.